out of my soul, cries out
I'm here,
inside of my soul, cries out. Hi everyone! Thank you guys sa mga nag-check out dyan. Still go for check out. Thank you so much guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-check out, go for check out kayo dyan ha. Go for check out. What is the Lamb? The Lamb of all first. What is the Lamb? Thank you for the cross, Lord. Thank you for the price you paid, bearing all my sin and shame. In love you gave. Guys, go for check out tayo. Go. Thank you for this love, Lord. Thank you for the nail-pierced hands. Wash me in your cleansing flow. Now guys, go for check out. Hello sir HY. Hi HY. Go for check out tayo.
You unravel me with a melody.
Go for check out.
Song of deliverance from my enemies.
Ayan, hello everyone. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much, Sir Rian. Hello po, Ma'am Rian, Sir Rian. Ala, thank you so much po. Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Guys, go for check out na kayo. Thank you so much po. Alin po dyan color? Ito po, we have color black, we have color pink, we have color blue, and color gray po. And also, I'm wearing po the color beige.
From my mother's womb.
Hello, Ma'am Ronaldine. Yes po, go for check out po.
Love shines cold.
Yes. Thank you so much, Sir Rian. Thank you po. Ayan guys, go for check out tayo. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Go for check out tayo. Ayan guys, mamaya na tayo mag-end.
I'm no longer a slave to fear.
Hi guys, everyone. Go for check out kayo dyan. Go for check out kayo dyan. Ito, para sa miglaki na onte.
Never I'll tell them you're big. Cause you're the only one.
Sige, next natin turn off yung masasaya.
Trouble times, yes.
Guys, go for check out.
First, that's all I need.
Yes po, endless praise.
Oh, to you. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for.
Hello guys, thank you so much. May pink po kayo, yes po. Sa basket number 2 po natin, meron po tayong color pink embroidered siya, guys.
You will always, always there. Every hour, everywhere. Because the best so deep in me. You never ever change. It's yesterday, today, the same.